So if you've been running around like a crazy person getting ready for Christmas and you're lying in bed and you're thinking, oh, I just don't want to get up this morning, I have just the thing for you. Lie on your side and you're going to curl yourself into a little ball. And now slowly straighten yourself out. Stretch your arms, stretch your legs, reaching, opening up your body, and then slowly soften and come back in. And we're just going to do 3 or 4 of these, just really stretching out. Oh, delicious. If your arms can't go up there, maybe you want to reach them out this way. One forward, one in. Reaching out, stretching, 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 and coming back in. Have another 2-minute snooze and then you're ready to get up and face the rest of your day.